Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is November 16, 2018. As you can probably tell by this thumbnail, Nvidia stock dumps on the market. After trading yesterday, Nvidia did its results of its earnings and it severely was negative, and the overall market took it as such, and the market continued to dump or sell its shares in Nvidia to the downside. I'm showing you this article right now because Goldman Sachs, one of the premier financial institutions of the world, clearly got it wrong. Okay, we're going to talk about this article, look at the price chart, and as well, I will have an end card of a video that we did on November 7th of 2018 about Nvidia stock, saying that we're looking for it to move to the downside. We have already predicted the fact that Nvidia was going to move lower, and it was done on our video that we posted to YouTube November 7, 2018. I will have an end card at the end of this video, so make sure you go and look at that particular video because we're on point as to how we were able to predict the market for Nvidia. Okay, so I know you might be seeing all these YouTube videos, articles, television segments about Nvidia stock crashing today. Well, it's no news for us because we have already given you the news according to the charts on November 7th, 2018 about Nvidia and how it's going to continue to move to the downside. So make sure that you all go check out that video once you get done with this one. If it's your first time watching our video, make sure that you guys go ahead and subscribe to our channel, because what we do here, we analyze what the articles are reading, what we are listening to on YouTube or other media syndicated outlets about particular stocks, cryptocurrency, forex, oil, commodity, wherever the case may be. We look at the price charts to make sure that what they are saying is in fact on the price chart, because if the price chart does not back what they are saying or what they are writing, then obviously they are wrong. Price chart is always right. Make sure you don't forget that. The price chart is always right. It is the truth. So anything outside of the price chart is suspect. So understand that that is what we're offering here on this YouTube channel. So if this is your first time coming, make sure you all subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification so you become notified of when we upload these type of videos. So you be one of the first to be ahead of the curve, because we're predicting price movement without the confusion. So now this is an article here on Bloomberg. Okay, Nvidia results prompt mea culpa at clearly wrong Goldman Sachs. That's what I got highlighted. Let you all know that even the premier financial institutions are subject to getting their analysis or their recommendations or their predictions wrong. Okay, again, uploaded today on Bloomberg's website. Now, Goldman Sachs removed Nvidia Corp from its conviction list, saying it was clearly wrong on the stock. And so many people place their trust, their faith in these financial institutions, and they also get it wrong. That's why you need to understand language analysis and understand how to read the charts for yourself. This Goldman Sachs removing Nvidia Corp from its conviction list comes after Thursday's disappointing results from the chip maker that included a weak forecast. So even Nvidia is still telling everyone else that we're not looking too good in the future, that we're still expecting dismal numbers, revenues to be down for the next couple of quarters. The next paragraph goes on to read that the bank also cut its price target to $200. Well, currently it's trading at $166. So I'm thinking that that might be a typo. I don't think that should be there unless they're expecting it to move to the upside from where it's currently being traded. According to Bloomberg data, the target had been at $283. So that is a huge discrepancy from where the market is currently being traded that Goldman Sachs clearly got wrong. And again, this is the third time Goldman Sachs has cut its Nvidia target since October. This is only the middle half of November. And this is the third time that we've seen this clearly, supposedly a premier financial institution change its price target for Nvidia. Now, something is wrong. If they're able to adjust their estimates, their price targets, then we are too. Okay, so whenever you see individuals come to you saying, well, you were wrong, or that was incorrect, or you wasn't right, well, even the financial institutions like Goldman Sachs don't get it right. Even within a month and a half, they have adjusted their price target for Nvidia 3 times. They believe it could take a few quarters before the market regains confidence in Nvidia and the growth of the trajectory of the business. So again, that's why we're not necessarily seeing any strength coming into the market. Nvidia shares slumped 18% in pre-market trading, and literally it erased 30% of its value since the 1st of October. 30%. If that's not in correction territory, I do not know what is. But one thing that I've seen in this article that Bloomberg has written is that Goldman kept its buy rating on the stock. Makes you wonder, why would they keep their buy rating on the stock that is currently 30% loss in value since the 1st of October? Do you think that they are actually in this particular stock buying it up now, or are they still waiting on the sideline, selling still into the market to try to persuade us that Nvidia is now a buy? Ask yourself that question, because if they clearly got it wrong that Nvidia was going to continue to move to the upside, then why would they keep its buy rating on this particular stock? So now we're going to look at the price chart for Nvidia, and you can see here that this is the monthly chart, and we told you on the 7th of November on our Nvidia stock that we were still seeing indications that this particular stock is going to move lower, and we even identified $160 as support. So we're trading there now. Okay, this month that is currently forming is still weakness. I don't see Nvidia a buy as of right now. The weekly chart still shows you the same depiction that the market is still weak. It is holding $160, which is very positive. We need to wait and see if it will truly be support. So next week is going to be vital for Nvidia to hold this $160 area. But with this amount of volume that's currently coming in on the week, prices to the downside is still there. Okay, so this is not a buy opportunity for Nvidia. Still expecting it to move to the downside. It might even come and touch $140 in the near term. Okay, so this definitely shows you how easy it is to predict price movement in the stock market. We have price objectives. First, we're watching $160 to see if it's able to hold, and if so, then this would be support. We might see a quick bounce to the upside early on, but ultimately we're forecasted to come back down to around 140 or even 120. It all depends on a lot of triggers that could affect the stock market over the next couple of weeks. So we're still forecasting Nvidia to move to the downside, because the price chart definitely is reading to us that the market is weak. 160 can hold support momentarily to where we can see a quick bounce to the upside, and then we'll get another continuation to the downside. But overall, 140, even 120 will be at least those support areas that I'm looking for Nvidia to come to. So again, Goldman Sachs got it wrong. They clearly got it wrong. So if you were following that financial institution, you definitely are hurting right now in the market. If you can only pay attention to the price charts, because that is where the truth is for all of these financial instruments. You can ever go wrong with the price charts. The only way that you can go wrong in the price chart is if you, the individual, interpret what you are seeing wrong. That's the only way. But if you interpret it right, then you will be more profitable in all your endeavors in the financial markets. Okay, so right now we're still looking for Nvidia to move to the downside. We're looking at 140, 120 in between that particular price. But what's going on in the market for today definitely shows you that movement to the downside is still in place. Okay, that is my analysis for Nvidia. Tell me what yours is. I would like to know, do you expect, where do you think Nvidia is going to move down to in order to hold support? Okay, so let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. And as well, if you would like to know more about language analysis, we do got a service on our Patreon page. It's where you will have exclusive access to more content, to where we drop some nuggets to you all to begin your journey into understanding language analysis. And as well, you have like a more personal contact with us where you can ask us questions regarding market movement, price predictions, things of that nature that you may not understand, or some things that we may mention in a video that you just don't understand as well. So that is there. The link's going to be in the description of the video. So make sure you guys click that button, sign up, and then you guys will have access to everyone else price action movement before anyone else. Okay, so make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I do appreciate you all watching this video.